What's the meaning of an age? An age. An age. An age. An age. An age.
The phrase, an age, typically refers to an extended period of time, often characterized by significant events or changes. It can be used to describe a particular historical era or the duration of a person's life. The term implies a sense of length and depth, suggesting that the period in question has had a profound impact on those who experienced it. Overall, an age connotes a sense of weightiness and importance, indicating that the time period in question was significant in some way.